Hello everyone! Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to appeal and fix Claude AI disabled accounts. Let's get started. First, open Claude and check whether you're able to access your account. If your account isn't working or you see a message saying that your account has been disabled, don't worry. You can contact Claude's support team and submit an appeal. Open a new browser tab and search for Claude Support. Make sure you're using the official Claude Support website. Once you're on the support site, search for Appeal. Open the relevant appeal page and scroll down until you find the Submit an Appeal button. Click Submit an Appeal. Maybe your work will be done here. If the appeal form isn't available or doesn't work for you, check the same support page for the official support contact information. Copy it and open your email application. Open Gmail, click Compose, and enter the official Claude support email address. In the message, clearly explain your problem. Mention that your Claude account has been disabled and that you'd like to appeal the decision. Keep your message clear, polite, and honest, and include any account information that Claude's official support team asks for. Once you've checked everything, send the message and wait for a response from the support team. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials.